In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, especially when it comes to meal preparation. The Ninja SF303CO Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is here to revolutionize your kitchen experience, offering a seamless solution to create delicious, multi-textured meals in a fraction of the time. Let's delve into what makes this appliance a must-have addition to your culinary repertoire. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unlock culinary versatility. The Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is not your average kitchen appliance. With its impressive 14-in-1 functionality, it empowers you to unleash your creativity and experiment with a wide array of cooking techniques. From air frying and baking to steaming and Sous Vide, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner or entertaining guests, this versatile appliance has you covered. Rapid cooking redefined. Say goodbye to lengthy cooking times and hello to rapid results with the Speedi Rapid Cooker mode. By combining the power of steam with air fry technology, this innovative feature allows you to achieve restaurant-worthy results in as little as 15 minutes. Experience the perfect balance of moisture, caramelization, and crispiness with every dish, all cooked to perfection in one pot. One-pot wonders. Gone are the days of juggling multiple pots and pans. With the Speedi Meals function, you can create delicious, one-pot meals in a matter of minutes. Simply choose your base, add your favorite vegetables and protein, and let the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer work its magic. From hearty stews to flavorful stir-fries, cooking for the whole family has never been easier. Endless possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, the Ninja SF303CO Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is designed to inspire culinary creativity. With its Smart Switch functionality, you can effortlessly switch between Rapid Cooker mode and Air Fry mode, unlocking a world of culinary possibilities. From quick weeknight dinners to indulgent air-fried treats, this appliance does it all with ease. Thousands of recipes at your fingertips. Stuck in a cooking rut? Fear not, as Ninja's Speedi Meal Builder has you covered. With thousands of customizable recipes at your fingertips, you'll never run out of inspiration. Simply input the ingredients you have on hand, and let the Speedi Meal Builder suggest delicious recipes tailored to your preferences. Say goodbye to boring meals and hello to culinary adventure. Effortless cleanup. The last thing anyone wants after a delicious meal is a pile of dirty dishes. Thankfully, the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer makes cleanup a breeze. The non-stick pot and crisper tray are dishwasher safe, ensuring that tidying up is quick and hassle-free. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. In conclusion, the Ninja SF303CO Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is a game-changer in the world of kitchen appliances. With its innovative features, versatile functionality, and effortless operation, it empowers you to take your cooking skills to new heights. Whether you're a busy parent looking for convenient meal solutions or a culinary enthusiast eager to experiment with new recipes, this appliance has something for everyone. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your cooking experience with the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.